Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you all about information of Visual Studio Code. So let's get start tutorial of Visual Studio. So first see features of Visual Studio. So here are the features of Visual Studio. First is emit abbreviation, which is very useful for auto completing of HTML, CSS and JavaScript using shorthand way. You can write one line and it will complete your whole code. Then next point come to CLI, which is command line integrated environment. If you use Sublime, there is no option for command line interface, but Visual Studio contains these features. Then come to ESLint, which is useful for finding error, text and much more things. Then Prettier, which is used for formatting of web pages like tab indentation, code correction, adding tabs, space, lines, unminify the code. So all these things comes in Prettier, which is inbuilt in Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio had features for debugging JavaScript code also. So these are the 5 features of Visual Studio which are very important and very useful. And one more plus point is that this software is free for use. So and it runs on any environment, whether you are using Windows, Linux or Mac. So this software works in any operating system. Now let's see difference between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. So a lot of users have confusion what is Visual Studio Code and what is Visual Studio. So there is lots of difference between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. So let's see. So you can see Visual Studio is a code editor and text editor, but Visual Studio is a IDE which is useful for making software, games and anything. And Visual Studio Code is useful for writing text file, making text file and text editor. Visual Studio Code is a platform independent. It runs on Windows, Linux, Mac and all the platforms. But Visual Studio runs only in Mac and Windows. One more point, Visual Studio Code is fast and lightweight, whereas Visual Studio is a package of a bunch of software which is little bit slow as compared to Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is useful for front-end developers like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, making web pages. So this is useful for front-end developers, and Visual Studio is useful for any type of development like web development, mobile development, game development, anything. We can use Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code is file-based and folder-based, whereas Visual Studio is useful for project or solutions. Both software have different usage. So you can use Visual Studio for everything, but you can't use Visual Studio Code for everything. So Visual Studio Code is a lightweight software only for text editing and making small files which run on front end like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. But in Visual Studio you can make anything as per your requirement or any development. Now let's see one more thing, Google Trend data. So here you can see the popularity of Visual Studio Code according time to time. Here you can see first it's released in 2015. Now it is much popular in 2020. So that's why I am using Visual Studio Code in upcoming tutorials for front end, which is free and much more powerful. Also you can see earlier Sublime is very popular. So one more thing, when I start development in web and other programming language, I use Sublime, which is very popular in 2015. So that's why I use Sublime at 2015. But now Visual Studio Code is very popular and had much more lots of features for web developers. Now let's install Visual Studio Code in our system. Now let's install Visual Studio Code. So search download Visual Studio Code, click enter, then open this page. Now click on window. I am using window, so I am clicking on window. So it's start downloading. So here you can see my Visual Studio is downloaded. Now click on this, click on accept, then next, click on install. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. Now here you can see my Visual Studio Code is ready. So it installed successfully in our system. Now let's open our folder. So I am selecting this earlier tutorial, which is JavaScript tutorial. Click on this, select folder. So you can see it show all files. It is much more useful for front-end development. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and subscribe our channel. Also remember this, install this in your system, because in future JavaScript tutorial I am using this Visual Studio Code for making changes or any adding files. So I hope you like the video.